I've been going for 3 hours. It's currently 9 o'clock in the morning. Came across this little bench and it's just calling for a break, for me to take a break. And that's the view this morning in somewhere in Maine. Break time. While I was sitting here taking my break, it occurred to me I didn't mention that the owner of the Human Nature hostel I just spent 3 nights at was on Naked and Afraid. He was a contestant on 2 different episodes. He was in Florida Everglades and also South Africa XL. Interesting, he talked about it, we watched the shows and got a little insight into Naked and Afraid. I had a great campsite last night. Beautiful setting, next to a lake. Got to fall asleep listening to the loons last night. Well, this is Saddleback Mountain, 4,100 feet above the alpine line, so it's actually incredible views of the ruggedness of Maine. I did 17 miles yesterday, and I was going to quit at 11 today, but I was there at 1 o'clock, and I thought I could get this one out of the way and make it to the campground at about another 7 miles. It's going to be 17 miles today. Pretty tough, but tell you what, the views today up here are just spectacular. All you can see is the rugged Maine mountains. Only about 2 more days of mountains, and then it levels out, and I'll be happy with that. They say levels out after Bigelow's, which is 2010, and tomorrow night I'll be at 2002, so that's going to take care of that. We got some rain coming in, but for right now I'm just enjoying the view up here. Also, they got a nice little windbreak right there, so it's going to be a little rest before I start going that way. Now I'm on the summit of the Horn. About an hour or so ago, I left Saddleback. That's that one right there. In essence, you just kind of walk down that ridge line and then up over here. And from that, there are ski resorts out here. Sad part is, as I do my panoramic, one of these, and I think it's that one right there, is called Little Saddleback. That's tomorrow's climb. And then that one, and then that one, and then that one, and then, yep, a couple more days. But Little Saddleback tomorrow. Sometimes it's just easier to go down the hills. It's really nice out there now, but how things are going to change. I've been hiking somewhere out there, up and over hills. The Hiker Network has been providing news along the trail. In other words, southbounders have been telling the Nobos what's coming up. And I finally was able to get a signal on top of one of the mountains and confirmed 100% chance of rain tomorrow. Fortunately, I was already in line to do a hostel, so I'm going to book it a little and get there, make it the Nero tomorrow. We only have, let's see, today's Saturday, Sunday and Monday of mountains left, and then the trail becomes walkable again. So the goal was to get it done before the rain sets in, but that's not going to happen. What I want to do is get in town, get my Nero. I've got quite a few miles the last couple days. Did 17, 17, a 16, a 10. Tomorrow even on Nero is going to be 8. So at least when I go out in the rain, it will be on Monday and get that stretch. That'll be the last stretch on Monday. It'll be about 18 miles, Bigelows. I'll feel rested, and that's really what I want to do. I don't want to try to do that unrested and wet. So that's the plan for right now. Hostel tonight or tomorrow. And I was going to think about pushing in and do a 24-mile day tonight. That way I could get in the hostel tonight and take tomorrow's 0, but not going to do that. Don't see any benefit for that. Then be really hiking late at night, really tired. Fraught for injuries, not going to do it. It's 4 a.m. and the question becomes, is the rain coming or not? Oops. With no cell service, I have no idea. Back in the Stone Ages, just trying to figure out when do I need to leave now? Can I wait for a while? Since I'm up, I'm going. And it's going to be my first morning hike and watch the sunrise. Unfortunately, I'm going to be in the green tunnel, so I won't be able to see the sunrise, but hopefully I'll beat the rain. This would be my first early morning sunrise hike, and I was granted with a beautiful sunrise.